The wood you use for this doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use some off-cut pieces I have. This is a 4x4 I had sitting around. This looks like a 1x6, I guess. Just find something, you're going to see the end grain on it. So on here, the end grain on this is pretty interesting. So I'm going to use that. So find something with grain that you find interesting, and that's a good starting point. So I let this dry overnight with my pipe clamps. Let's check it out. So now we have a wooden block that we're gonna use on the table saw, and then once we cut this side off, which I made sure was flat, we should have a nice clean line there. I'll clean up the other sides. And this will probably be the best side because you see the most grain. Now it's time for an ad from a local sponsor.
Happy Hugs at Daycare 7.
Welcome to Daycare 7.
Happy Hugs.
We feature the lowest payment plans in the Tri-County area.
Happy Hugs.
We are much cheaper than Daycare 6. Located off Route 9, if you see the tire fire, you've gone too far.
Happy Hugs at Daycare 7. Happy Hugs.
All right, I have to apologize to our viewers. We didn't screen that before, and that was really kind of weird. I'm not sure we're going to keep them as a sponsor, but let's go back to our video. After a few cuts on the sides, I got it down to a perfect square. So you can see that end grain, and now we just slice through as many times as you want. Here, we have a perfect square for whatever you want to do. There we go. We got posters. All right, now that we have these cut, I have my helper again. Wyatt, you want to say hi?
Hi!
We have 4 little coasters. There you go.
Okay, what do we do? Wait, don't leave!
And that's the video. All right.
Don't
Bye, everybody.
Don't leave!
Where's it? They're not leaving.
Oh.
Say bye.
Bye, like and subscribe.